Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We're on to another mod on the Jeep. As you know, we don't like keeping things stock, and one thing that was driving me nuts was this cheapy antenna. Doesn't match the machine. We decided to go with the Ride On Air 13-inch rubber antenna replacement. First off, you're going to get rid of the old antenna. Nice little 10mm here will get it done. Just loosen that up. And then you'll be able to finish it off with your hand. Very nice. All right, what do we got in the box? This is the model RD-RMRNJ. Supposedly the reception with this antenna is phenomenal. According to the reviews, we're gonna find out. You've got this little adapter you've got to screw in first. You're going to take the smaller end of the adapter and screw it into the antenna mast. Don't over tighten. And then simply take your mast and thread it in. No tools required other than that 10mm to get the other one off. Hand tight is good. And there you have it, much better looking. This is also available in a 7-inch. For more information, 435-427-3338. Ask for me. My name's Jared Livingston. 435-851-3637 is my cell. Have a great night, everybody.